Good morning and happy Monday! My name's Yvonne and I'm a ceramicist in Vienna and I love what I do. Last week on Saturday I had a paint and sip workshop where I made like really nice cocktails and people were painting different things. So I turned on the kiln on Saturday and it should be ready by now. Bit of a disaster. You guys, I'm not the biggest fan of mold making. I already made a mess, but at least the mess is on the floor, so it's gonna be easy to clean and pick up. mold making, not my thing. And it's funny because I slip cast mostly, and basically I should be able to be better at it and like it, but I just don't. And yesterday was a huge disaster. I had this big bowl that I wanted to slip cast because I wanted to make a pendant light, and it was so big that I didn't have enough of the band to go around it. So I had to put two together, and the whole plaster just opened them up, and the plaster was everywhere. So I am happy that I did it on the floor because at least the mess was already down there. But it was just annoying because I spent most of the day yesterday cleaning. And something I'm also learning about is showing my mistakes. Now that I started doing these vlogs, it was really hard for me to film knowing that I was doing something that was a mistake and showing my failure to the world. I'm not used to that, and it's hard. So there's a lot of footage that I didn't film. So I'm just learning to get to that point. This is where I'm at. Today's day 2. And I will see which of the plaster molds survived. Anyway, let's do this. Today I'm using the microphone of my phone because I think maybe it's going to help make it less echoey. Basically, Wednesday and Thursday killed me with mold making, and it was a lot. It was just a lot, and I was doing it on the floor. I didn't realize how much of the time I was not actually sitting on the floor, but I was kind of leaning in a way that I was almost squatting all day. So my legs hurt like hell. So I decided to stay home today because I am destroyed. The past 2 weeks have also been quite hectic, and I've been working 6 days a week. I don't like working on the weekends because I want to keep my weekends so that I can rest. So I think having today a bit chilled and relaxed is okay. I'm still going to work because I did get a really nice hat yesterday. It's going to open a lot of new opportunities for me in the online world. Basically, today I'm going to be editing some pictures and stuff like that, but from my couch while I watch some reality TV because I just need to relax. And if it's editing while watching something on the background, then that's okay. I think that's okay to have like a bit of a chill day. And that's the fun part about being self-employed, is to be able to make those decisions last minute. So yeah, that is my plan for today. I'm gonna stay in this spot for the whole day, and I am okay with that. I really hope that you enjoy watching my vlogs. I'm still starting and I'm still learning a lot of things about cameras and videos and editing and microphones. Talking to a camera, it's hard, and I'm proud of myself of doing it. Take your time with me, and if you have any feedback, please do not hesitate to comment. And if you want to continue following my journey, please make sure to hit subscribe, like this video, leave some comments. But yeah, with that note, I'll be signing off, and I'll see you all on my vlog next week. Bye, have a lovely week.